afternoon, my diamond art peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, as always, thank you for your continuing support. I hope that everybody is having a wonderful Sunday. It is May the 14th. It's Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the mommies out there. And it is rainy here. It's been raining on and off all day. I went out to breakfast with my daughter, and then I went by to see my son and daughter-in-law and my grandbabies. So I had a wonderful Mother's Day, and so I wanted to get some videos done, and then I'm going to sit down and diamond paint and try to get caught up on all of my events. I think I overextended myself on events. I'm just like stressing out, but you can only do what you can do, so that's what I'm gonna do. So today we're going to do an unboxing, and we'll start first with, this is from Diamond Art Club. Let me move you, and then I'm gonna move you. Oh, that's not good. There we go. Sorry about that hand. This is Bugs Bunny. This came out, what, 2 months ago? Probably 2 months. So this is a round diamond, and it's a Looney Tunes, and so it comes in their special box with the Looney Tunes logo and all of that. And we're just going to get right into it. And it comes with a toolkit. And here is the sticker. Now I put my sticker in my logged book, and then put the time in, I mean the start date and the end date and all of that. A lot of people will put it at the end of the box or on the side, so when they are storing and when they go to look, they can just look at the box without having to open it up. I mean, obviously with this box it has the character on it, but the other ones you may not know remember what's in each box. All right, open this puppy up. I hope you guys are having a good day. Okay, so it comes with a bag of baggies. I think that this has 2 heart-shaped wax. And remember to take the protective covering off, because I have done this. You stick your pen down in there and you're wondering why you can't get anything. And then a pen with a single placer, a squishy, and I never use the squishies. Sorry, so I just throw those away. How sad. Okay, so this is a 7 and a 4 placer. And last night when I was working on a piece, I actually used my 7 placer. I normally don't go over 4, and it didn't come out too bad. Oh, this is cute. And here is your cover minder. A little flower. I've not ever gotten one of these. Okay. And then some washi tape, which is like flowers. And then a boat. I'm going to set all of those over to the side. Okay, so this comes in a nice protective dust bag. Open this up. When I was a kid, I absolutely loved Bugs Bunny. So when this came out, I was really excited about doing this project. So set that aside. And let's roll this back. Because this is poured glue, you can roll it back and not have any issues with your canvas. Oh, this is so cute. So there are 11 colors. Look at that. Lot of color blocking. Lots of color blocking. All right, so let me kind of see if I can get it spread out just a little more. Or to smooth out, rather, I should say. Not that I don't have enough on my plate, but one of my YouTube friends, her name is Annette, and so she just finished Taz, her and Sam from Blunt to Jim. I think Sam did it as well. So I said, well, let's do Bugs Bunny, because I know she said she had it, and so I am going to kit this up and start it. I'm not going to, be too upset if I don't get it finished by the end of the month. I don't think that I will. I am also, if you guys are looking for an event, even though I know it's in the middle, but I bet you can get it finished. You're probably a faster diamond painter than I am. But Susie from Susie's Crafts is doing Mandy's Mind Blowing Month event, and the canvas has to be a Mandy Manzano. So I'm trying to get as much as that done as I can, because I would like to get it finished. But there's Bugs. Okay. So nice stick as you always. The drill feel is very clear. I don't think I have any problems. We have one AB in this. And like I said, just 11 colors. So it is basically one number, an alphabet, and then the rest are symbols. So here is your sticker sheet. So this whole entire thing is a sticker. So if you want to as well, you can cut this out and put it in your ledger, in your logbook. And then these are stickers as well. So you can put these on your bottles or however you store your drills once you stick them. Kit this up, and these are extra. Now for me, I find they don't stick very well, and I have just gotten to the point where I just do number my containers 1 through whatever, and then I just work off of this. It seems to work a lot better for me, so I really enjoy doing that. This has a start and end date, and then also it comes with this little thank you pamphlet. It has like tips and tricks on how to diamond paint. It also has QRS codes so that you can get, if you are a first time purchaser to Diamond Art Club, or you can get discounts. So there's that. And then here are your drills. And like I said, I am going to put this up. I'm not sure because it's only 11. I'll probably get it up. I was going to say I'll just work from the bags. When I do, even though this is a full drill, but when I do specials, I just, I thought I had stopped recording. I'm like, am I just like talking and Lord. I just grab the first special or the first drill or first number or whatever, and I just do that all the way through, and then so forth and so forth. But I probably will kit this up. All right, so we have 2 bags of 3846. I should do it this way. 2 bags of 415, 5200, 2 bags of 5200 for 13, 38.45, 9.48, and here is our AB, which stands for Aurora Borealis. It's 132. It's a pretty orange. I love that. Only 1 bag of 310, 347, 947, and 352. All right. So number 1 is our AB, and that is 132. That is going to go all in his carrot. This whole thing, the whole carrot is the ABs. That is so cool. Let me see if there's any other place that one goes to. Nope, I think that is it. I think that's the only place. This should really, because it's a lot of color blocking, this should really kit up really pretty fast. So I'm going to try very hard to get it done. Annette, who diamond paints like a speed demon, I have never seen, she'll show us, hey guys, I'm working on this, and then like 20 minutes later, okay, I'm finished. I wish I could diamond paint that fast. I can't. All right. And she's just as busy as everybody else, so I don't know how she does it. But that is my Bugs Bunny. 11 colors round with 1 AB. All right, so I'll move all my stuff over. Okay, you guys, this is what happens when you get old. Okay, so I ordered this canvas that I'm getting ready to show you. Totally forgot about it. I have absolutely no idea where I ordered it from, and there wasn't anything on the bag. So, and I totally forgot. So the other day I go check my mail and I had a diamond painting, because if a lot of you know that I am on a no buy and I have not bought anything since April the 18th, and it's killing me. But Diamond Art Club did not get me with any of the restocks. There were a couple of things that I would have gotten, but I was like, nope, I'm not doing it. So I was like, oh my God. And I totally, and at first I thought, well, did someone send me something? But then once I looked at it, I remembered ordering, but I do not know where. So the old is not for the faint of heart. So here are the drills, and I won't go through all of these, because I think that I ordered this for Sam's event, her My Mental Health Matters event, but I'm hoping, because I don't have anything for Juneteenth, that I can use it for that. We'll see. But anyway, and it's a round drill, and here is the kit. I was like, Lord, I don't know. So it comes with these little plastic funky tweezers, 2 pins, single tip. One is a 4-placer, and I think that this is another 7-placer. Some wax, some baggies, and a boat. All right. So I'm going to roll this back. And it's got a nice soft backing, scalloped edges. It has 39 colors, and this is a 40 by 53. It looks like lots of, I think it's going to have lots of color blocking. And obviously it's too late for this month, but I may do this also. I may just wait and do this. Sam is also doing a domestic violence month as well. So I may do this for that. I'm going to smooth it out. It looks really great. I think it's going to turn out really good. All right, so here it is. Look at that. So it has, I hope that you can see it. It says strong enough on our arm, kind. I am smart enough, pretty. Some of it is a little hard to read, but we'll see how it looks like when we put the drills down. But I think it looks really pretty good. It does have the DMC numbers on here. You can't see me do that, but the stick is really pretty good. Okay, so it is number 1 through 8, and then it's alphabets from there to 27, and then 28 to 39 are symbols. Oh, and 39 is a lowercase a. So you've got a legend on both sides, top, and then the bottom. And like I said, nice soft backing with the scalloped edges. And a 40 by 53 centimeters. And it doesn't have on here anything about the company, so I apologize. I just don't know. I'm old and I just don't know. But I really like it. I think it's going to turn out really good. So I think I will probably do this for her domestic violence event that she's going to do. So it's great. Great. Okay. And so, and like I showed you, and they're individual bags with the numbers on it. It doesn't have anything to show that it goes with this canvas, no codes on this. So if you are one that likes to store your drills separate, I would definitely put a sticker on here. Because right now, another reason that I'm on the struggle bus is that I was getting some drills together for an event that I'm going to do in June, and I cannot find the drills for one particular canvas. So I'm just like, wow. So I will not ever store my drills separate from my canvas ever again. All right, guys. Well, that's all I have. So I have my mystery canvas. That's a mystery to me. And then Bugs Bunny. And that's it. So I hope you have a great day, weekend, weekday, whenever you're watching this video. And again, happy Mother's Day to everybody out there. Remember to be kind to one another. Keep cool and keep diamond painting. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.